In this SMS Backup and Restore review, we'll explore the app's key features, pricing, and how to use it. We'll also introduce a more advanced alternative for those looking for more than just SMS backups. Part 1. SMS Backup and Restore Review. SMS Backup and Restore is a lightweight Android app developed by SyncTechTie Ltd. It's designed to back up and restore text messages and call logs on Android devices. 1.1 Key features of SMS Backup and Restore. This tool helps you securely back up and restore SMS and call logs. It supports cloud and local storage, scheduled backups, Wi-Fi transfers, and customizable backup options for flexible data management. 1.2 Pros and cons of SMS Backup and Restore. While SMS Backup and Restore offers the basic functionality of backing up and restoring text messages, whether it's the right choice for you depends on its strengths and limitations. Below, we've outlined the main pros and cons to help you better evaluate its overall practicality. 1.3 Pricing of SMS Backup and Restore. SMS Backup and Restore is free to use with core features included, but it contains ads. Users can pay about $4.49 once to remove ads and support development, though the upgrade does not add new features. Part 2. How to use SMS Backup and Restore. Using SMS Backup and Restore is straightforward. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Step 1. Download SMS Backup and Restore from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Launch the app and grant permissions for SMS, storage, and contacts when prompted. Step 3. Tap Set up a backup. Choose what you want to back up: SMS, or call logs. Select your backup location: Google Drive, Dropbox, or local storage. Tap Backup Now. Step 4. Open the app on the same or another Android device. Tap Restore and select the desired backup. Confirm and allow the app to complete the restore process. Note: to restore, SMS Backup and Restore must be set as your default SMS app temporarily. Part 3. The best alternative to SMS Backup and Restore. SMS Backup and Restore is useful for basic SMS backups, but it has limitations when managing other Android data. Coolmuster Android Backup Manager offers a more complete solution, allowing one-click backup and restore of SMS, contacts, apps, photos, videos, music, and documents without rooting. It supports USB and Wi-Fi connections, works with most Android devices, and provides a faster, safer, ad-free experience. While SMS Backup and Restore is mostly free, users seeking more features and convenience may prefer a paid alternative. Here are the steps to use the software to back up and restore Android data. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Android Backup Manager on your computer. Step 2. Open the program. Then connect your Android phone to the computer via USB or Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen guide to enable USB debugging on your device. Step 3. Once connected, you'll see the options, Backup and Restore. Click Backup to proceed. Step 4. Choose the data types you want to back up, such as SMS, contacts, call logs, photos, videos, music, apps, etc. Select a location on your computer to save the backup. Then, click Backup and wait for the process to complete. The speed depends on the data size. Step 5. To restore your data, go back to the main interface and click Restore. Choose the backup file, select the data types you want to recover, and hit Restore.